Hey guys, first up I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Oppo Reno 5 Pro. And guys, and this is a new high-end mid-range phone from Oppo, and which is costing around 1,05,000 BKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in my opinion, and the price for the Oppo Reno 5 Pro in Pakistan, it is really high. I don't recommend this phone in this price range. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Oppo Reno 5 Pro and let's see what this Oppo has to offer overall. And guys, also we have a 256GB of internal storage with a 12GB of RAM, so that's really nice as well. And also, and the color I have is the galactic silver color. So now let's quickly open this box and now let's see what is Oppo has to offer in this phone. First let me remove the plastic first on the top like this, and now let's remove the plastic from the box like that. And guys, here is the Oppo Reno 5 Pro box. Looks very similar to the Oppo Reno 5, so that's really nice as well. And guys, now let's open this box like that, and you can see on the top we get one more box. Now let's open this box like that, and we get one more mini box inside the box. And inside of this little box we get a, and you can see we get a SIM injection tool, and also we get a quick start guide as well as warranty card with the Oppo Reno 5 Pro. And also we get a soft silicone case with the Oppo Reno 5 Pro, so that's really nice as well. And guys, here is the Oppo Reno 5 Pro. Now let's out the phone from this box like this, and you can see. And guys, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Oppo Reno 5 Pro. And this phone give you AI highlight video, and also we have a dual view video mode on this phone. And this phone also supports 65W Superbook 2.0 fast charging. And also this phone give you a 3D display. We get a curved display on this phone. And also this phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus, so we will see the performance of this chipset in my upcoming speed test. And guys, now let's put the side here, and now let's look at inside the box what else we get another than the phone. And guys, you can see that we get a USB Type-C cable with the Oppo Reno 5 Pro, so that's really nice as well. And also we get a green indicator inside the USB Type-C port. And also we get a headphones with the Reno 5 Pro, so that's really nice as well. But you can see that on the another hand we get a USB Type-C. This means that we does not get any headphone jack on the Reno 5 Pro, and that's a really disappointing thing on the Reno 5 Pro. We don't get headphone jack, but we get headphones in the box. And here is the charger, and you can see it is a really big adapter. Now let's see the ampere rating on this adapter. And guys, you can see that, and it says that it is a 10 volt with a 6.5 ampere. And guys, and this is a 65W charging adapter that you are getting with the Reno 5 right out the box, so that's really nice as well. So now let's put all these things inside the box, and now let's see the Reno 5 Pro. And guys, here is the Reno 5 Pro. So now let's out the phone from this plastic first like this, and you can see. And guys, you can see that, and this is a galactic silver color, and you can see. Let me remove this as well. And guys, on the back we get a matte finish, and you can see, which I really like on this phone. And seems like back it is made up of glass. And guys, on the frame of this phone it is made up of aluminium. And also on the back we get quad cameras, and you can see. And on the back we get a 64 megapixel main camera, and also we have an ultra wide, macro and a depth sensor with LED flash. And you can see that on the back we get a rainbow type effect, and you see a lot of new colors when you see this phone in different lighting condition, and you can see. And guys, now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a SIM tray. On the left hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker. On the right hand side we have a power on button. And guys, on the top we get a noise cancellation microphone. On the front we get a 6.55 inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate display. And also on the front we get a punch hole on the left hand side, which looks really beautiful. And also this phone gives you a curved display, as you can see, gives a more premium feel over any other phone. And guys, now let's quickly start up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Oppo Reno 5 Pro, and you can see. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone gives you a Super AMOLED display, so no doubt about that. And this phone give you a very good display, and also we have 90 Hz refresh rate display, which makes your experience more smoother than before. And also on the front we get a punch hole. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed on this phone. This phone also has in-display fingerprint scanner. So now let's see the speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed is also really good on this phone, really fast. And I also noticed that the vibration motor, it is also really good on this phone. Now let me go to the settings, and now let's go to the display, and you can see we also have dark mode, auto brightness feature. All those things it is available on this phone. When you go to the more section, and you can see this phone also give you 90 Hz refresh rate display. And guys, now let's go to the about phone, and you can see this phone, it is running on Android 11 right out the box, so that's really nice as well. And also this phone, it is running on ColorOS version 11.1, so that's really nice. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 238 GB. It is available for you guys, and the UI, it is also really smooth on this phone. Now let's see the notification area, and you can see we also have a NFC as well as screen recording feature as well, so that's really nice. And you can see this phone feels really light in the hand, because this phone give you a 4350 mAh of battery size with a 65-watt SuperVOOC battery charging. And inside of this phone we get 2 batteries, so that is why this phone supports 65-watt fast charging. So now let's see the camera of this phone. On the back we get a quad cameras, and guys, on the back we get a quad cameras. And the main sensor on the back, it is a 64 megapixel, and also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide as well as a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. We don't get optical zoom on this phone. And guys, on the front we get a 32 megapixel selfie camera, so that's really nice. And you can see here is the camera UI of the Oppo Reno 5 Pro. Here is your normal and here is your ultra wide, and you can see. And we also have a macro mode on this phone. When you go to the more section, we also have a macro mode, so that's really nice as well. But on the back we get a 2 megapixel macro lens. It is not really good. At least we get a 5 megapixel macro lens or the 8 megapixel. And guys, we also have a AI mode on this phone, and we also have a portrait mode on this phone, which is also work on objects. When you go to the effects option, we also have a AI color portrait feature on this phone. And guys, on the back camera, maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps, and you can see we also have a full HD at 60 fps as well. We also have a night mode on this phone, and you can see, which is also available with the ultra wide lens. We also have a tripod mode on this phone. In the video section we have everything, and you can see we also have a bokeh video mode on this phone as well as AI highlight video, which is work like a night mode in low light, and in daylight it is work like a live HDR feature. We also have a ultra steady mode on this phone as well as ultra steady pro mode. In the effects option we also have AI color portrait feature, and we also have a dual view video mode. We also have a slow motion on this phone, and you can see 120 fps all the way up to 960 fps. And guys, we also have a pro mode on this phone, and you can see. And guys, now let's see the front camera. And guys, on the front we get a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see we also have a portrait mode on this phone. When you go to the video section, we also have ultra steady mode, AI highlight video as well as bokeh video mode. We also have AI color portrait feature. And now let's go back. We also have night mode with the front camera. On the front we also have a slow motion on this phone. And guys, now let's talk about the battery life of the Oppo Reno 5 Pro. And guys, and this phone gave you a 4350 mAh of battery size with a 6.5 inch full HD Super AMOLED 90 Hz refresh rate display. And also this phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus, and this phone give you at least 1 day of battery life without any problem, because the battery size, it is not really big on this phone. So that is why this phone, it is really slim. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 5 Pro again. And guys, and again, I don't recommend this phone in this price range, because this phone it is overpriced in Pakistan. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Oppo Reno 5 Pro, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.